I bought this entire setup on the internet for $215. I went on Amazon and I scrolled looking for an entire gaming setup, meaning it had to have everything: a PC, keyboard, mouse, mousepad, headphones, and a monitor. Somehow I found some terrible cheaper ones, but this one was the only one I found with absolutely everything, and it was $215. So you know how to cop it. I'm also gonna be building my own $200 setup to see if I can beat this setup. Turns out the setup wasn't a scam because it actually showed up at my door. What the hell? It's so big. Pause. Who even delivered it? God? Ain't nobody out here. Now it's time to unbox it to see if everything actually came in one piece. It's a package in a package. I hate when they do this, bruh. Just give me the other package. Why do you need this much security? Don't tell me there's another box in here. They tripled the box. They 100% spent more on the packaging than they did on the actual setup. And boy, was this setup something. Bro, the headphones box came broken. Okay, did they make this out of bamboo sticks? Bro, these... You know the headset that they give you at school? That's what these feel like. We got the keyboard out. Let me feel what this feels like. Oh yeah, what do I expect? This feels, wait, bro, it feels like I'm touching nothing, bro. It feels so nasty. What am I saying? This is the cheapest setup in the world. It's going to feel bad. Let me stop being stupid. Next we have the mouse. It's Stagabron. That's the name of the brand, Stagabron. Wait, LeBron James. Okay, the mouse doesn't feel too bad. It feels terrible, but not bad. It doesn't feel too bad. It's kind of clicky. Right here, we got the mouse pad. It's looking like the mouse pad is RGB. It is a small mouse pad. Like, if I do 190 in Fortnite, I'm done. I'm gonna do the PC last. This is the PC right here. I can't even wait to talk about that. Caution, do not cut film. Cut! Get it, guys? Because it says, don't cut film on there, and I cut the film, like the cameras. I'm sorry. But what the heck? Dude, look at this. I can push the monitor screen in. I'm literally pushing the screen in. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but the screen is like able to be, like you can see the bottom of the monitor when I push the screen in. Now it's time to open this atrocious PC. And the first problem was, this was the smallest PC I've ever seen. The smallest PC I've ever seen. Look at this. Look how small this PC is, bruh. I can literally just throw it across the, I'm not gonna do that though. I'm not gonna throw it across the room. All it has to show for itself is like a cyborg looking thing on the front of it. That's it. I don't know if I can do this, but I'm gonna open it. We're gonna go inside the PC. Open! Open up, PC, stop resisting. Stop, this PC's black! What is going on in here? I don't even know what I'm looking at. I have just opened the PC, and this is the most atrocious thing I've ever seen. Bro, first of all, why is the fan sideways? This thing looks like it's about to fall off. Bro, it has no GPU. So I'm gonna assume that the CPU has integrated graphics, which is what makes you able to play some games. There's a cord in here that's not connected to anything. What does that even mean? All right, now that we've seen this PC, it's time to put a setup together and hope that this PC actually turns on. And you guys know I have bad luck with turning on PCs. Moment of truth. Let's see. Click. Ain't no way this one doesn't work. This is a pre-build. I definitely don't see any lights on the monitor yet, so I'm guessing the monitor doesn't turn on by itself. Where's the monitor buttons at? And then the monitor didn't turn on. Bruh, how did I fail to boot up a pre-built PC? And then I noticed my goofy eye just never plugged in the HDMI cord. Oh, I'm so dumb, I didn't plug the HDMI cord in. I finally got the PC on, and I'm not gonna lie, it was looking pretty good. The RGB looks pretty cool on it. Let me see, I can change the colors on here, let's see. I can make it just red, blue, green, RBG. Auto's 100% the best. They just like flows and stuff. But we really need to see what a $100 PC performs like. So it seems to have 16 gigabytes of RAM, DDR3, which isn't the best, but not terrible. The CPU is an i5 4570. I don't really know much about Intel, but that looks pretty bad. There's no graphics card. It's literally just graphics on the CPU. But hey, at least the monitor is 75 hertz. And while this PC literally took days to download Fortnite and Valorant, I started to build my own $200 setup that I'm gonna use to beat this setup. The first thing I did was go to GameStop, and I got an Xbox for $109. All right, let me get the original. Yeah, I'll take the original Xbox one. This is a fire shirt. Oh, thank you. I got the Xbox One, and it was heavy as hell. Damn. What I go to the gym for? Thank you, bro. Have a good day. This is heavy. Now we have $106 left. I bought a 75 hertz monitor for $59.99, and then I found a keyboard and mouse combo that came with a mouse pad, and it came up to 30 bucks, leaving me with $17 to look for a headset. I mean, they don't look the best, but they were $17. And while I wait for all this stuff to get to me, it's finally time to see how the PC performs. Oh, hell nah. Bro, what is happening right now? This is glitching out to... Dude, this is about to turn off. I'm at 40 FPS right now. The mouse has no side buttons, meaning I can't even build because that's how I build. I'm at 20 FPS. What is this? I don't think I've ever witnessed anything worse than this. I was literally dying because it was so bad. I'm actually dying. Dude, oh my gosh, this is worse than a Switch. But wait, it gets even worse, bruh. Wait till I get into this game. This mouse has no side buttons, no DPI button, no nothing. I'm getting 20 FPS coming off the bus. Oh my gosh, I cannot even look at this, bro. This is so bad. Oh crap. Bro, go away. What are you doing? Oh. What the fuck? What in the world? Oh, I'm done. Oh, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. I'm so... Bro, this is not playable. This is not playable. Next, I tried Valorant, which is usually an easier game to run, and this is what it looked like. Look at my Yoru, dude. What the hell is going on with Blood? He looks demonic. Okay, wait, it actually is running Valorant. But dude, it's not like the textures are not loaded in, none of it. Bro, look at this, low client FPS. I've never seen a low client FPS warning on Valorant in my life. I can't use it, oh shit. I can't even, the mouse is terrible, you can't even move. Oh hell nah, bro. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. Bro, Valorant is not as bad as Fortnite. It's playable, but it just, what am I seeing, bro? I even tried Cool Math, and the game barely can get 30 FPS. Bro, this thing can't even run good. Oh my gosh. This thing is playing run at like 25 FPS. Shit. Finally, the Xbox items are here, and it's time to easily beat the setup. There's no way I can, bro. Ooh, wait, this keyboard is actually fire. I don't know why it's not in mechanical, but it feels way better, way better than the other keyboard. And then the mouse to match the color, okay, looking good. Wait, this mouse actually looks kind of nice. It looks like a G Pro. And it actually has something on the bottom. Ooh, and these headsets look better. Am I just glazing my own setup? They do feel kind of cheap, obviously, because they are cheap. Testing 1, 2, 3, my name is Kamahley. Oh, Cam on the beat, finna beat my meat while I take a seat. Look at this paper, it's a sheet. I'm not a rapper, my name's not Yeet. Anyways, we got the whole setup hooked up with the monitor, the Xbox, and the keyboard and mouse connected. And it's time to see if this runs Fortnite better than the other PC. And if it doesn't, honestly, I don't even know. Oh, I'm crazy. Only thing I wouldn't recommend is getting this mouse is because for some reason, whenever I'm holding down the mouse button, I can't place my ramp because my ramp is on like this button. Yeah, so the mouse is kind of messed up too. The mouse isn't that good, but the keyboard is way better. This whole setup is way better. I would rather play way on this $200 setup than buying that crappy Amazon $200 setup ever. But before I stop yapping, I had to try it out in a real game to make sure that it actually feels the same because we all know that console has a keyboard and mouse delay. All right, first of all, I can already tell you that this is way better than the PC because I'm actually not lagging going down. I'm using the keyboard and mouse. My sensitivity might be a little bit too high, but that's my problem. Oh my. Okay, guys, I gotta fix my sensitivity. Guys, I gotta fix my sensitivity. Don't roast me, don't roast me. Only thing I don't like about Xbox compared to PC is the input delay when you use keyboard and mouse. Obviously, it's not meant for keyboard and mouse, but there is a little input delay. But I still would prefer this input delay over not being able to play the game at all. I can tell you that much. Oh my, where is my bullets going? This mouse though, the mouse button doesn't work as good. Oh my, what the? How am I just dead like that? Impossible. Getting a little sloppy here. Oh, he can't aim, and we lost. This setup still feels way better, although we lost. Yeah, guys, don't ever buy that $200 Amazon setup. The one I made is way better. And I can make one better if y'all want to see that. But like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.